So, we're starting from an interesting spot today. In spite of everything, it's been like 6 months since the last time I like really seriously did some of this. And somehow after like 5 minutes I've managed to make the situation a lot worse. So this is great. Hello everyone. Good to see you today. Hope we're all doing fantastically well. I am Mel, and yes, we're doing some programming today. We're off to a little bit of a bad start. Well, I say a bad start. It's not that bad. Well, I mean, it's bad, but it's not that bad. Right, where's this going? Hold on, that's not the right terminal. I think console? That's not the console. Where's it gone? Problems? That's not it. Terminal? Not it. Where's the output? I want to see the output, but yes, good to see TV. Hope you're doing good. Yeah, we're off to a good start. We're off to a very good start. Mostly the fact that I don't know why it's doing this. It's not letting me reposition the windows. Right, but anyway, yes. Let's just cover up this one for the most part, I think. This is the interesting little window we've got here. So yes, we're looking at the Gacha game today. It's been a long time. But I dipped my toe into it. I've been dipping my toe back in. I've been wanting to do a bit more work on it. I had a little look at it last week. I don't remember when, but we did have a little look at it last week. Which was good. It was fun. It was nice seeing what was going on. I had plans. I thought to myself, right, what we need to do is we need to just implement some kind of combat system. We can finally have this as a functioning alpha. Everything will be good. And then I made one little change. One tiny little change. One tiny itsy bitsy little issue. And yeah, as a result, whenever I try and make an account, we get account creation error. And I don't know why, which is not helpful, let me tell you. So yeah, what we'll do, hold on, let's open up the server. Or not open up the server, sorry, let's open up, where is it? There we go. We need a window for my window capture. There we go. Okay, so this is what should be the user folder for the database, but now it's got no data at all. I deleted the entries. I deleted the entries because I thought I was being clever. But yeah, we've got a slight problem with that, which is that I'm now no longer able to actually make an account. And I'm not sure why, but the plan is we're going to figure this out, because if I can't do this, then I can't play the game, which is bad. But I've started to figure out where the problem actually is. So what happens is, if I run the client itself, which has itself a little main function, it's got a, you know, if name equals main, run this function. Good for testing, which is very nice. If I run that, then we get initially error, account creation error, account creation failed. That's an error back here in create new user. And we can actually start paring down and finding where the source of the problem is. So what I did is I went through it and I made a little thing that'll say, does it get here? Which will tell me how far down this whole process this thing ends up going, which is very useful. So if it prints 1, then we know it gets down to the end of user. If it prints 2, then we know that it's saved the user. This is what was in the code from the beginning. This is what's been there for months. This is what used to work fine. If I run it, we get nothing. The server says running. Oh yeah, because I just updated the server. Right, we have to run the client again. So the client actually... Oh, hold on. Yeah, so it does actually print 2 does it get here. The server itself continues running. It recognizes an error, but then it ends up doing a return and saying, yeah, no, there's a problem here. And if there's any exception, JSONify error, account creation error. Right. So let's see. Accept exception as E. Error. E. Print creation error. And then can we just make this an F string? Yeah, we can make that an F string. Lovely. Oh wait, no. We want to move this up to here, because then that'll tell us where the problem is. Right, so that'll tell us what the source of the error is. Now. And there's one final except at the end, which is lovely. Right, okay. What we can do, we just click away and that will restart the server. So the server gets to here. I'll actually have it print E as well, just so we can see it in both. Let's run the client. Then account creation error, validation error, user none. Only dictionaries may be used in a dict field. Only dictionaries may be used in a dict field. Only dictionaries may be used in a dict field. Apparently I'm trying to put a dictionary, something other than a dictionary in a dict field. I'm putting parties into a dict field. Is that what the problem is? Is that what the problem is? Am I just trying to put the wrong... Am I trying to put the wrong thing in the wrong place? That sounds like the kind of thing that I would end up doing, to be quite honest. Right. I think it's something to do with the new user function. Right, what is it that I'm placing in? We've got this little section here. This is the change that I made. I turned parties into a dictionary. Then parties is here. So now, if I have a little look, we go up to here. Let's have a little look at this. So parties is down as a list field that contains a dict field. Is that right? I don't think somehow that that's right. That's up on 100 and something to something. And yes, TV, I know, I still need to move everything into separate files. I will do it. But I think we've got bigger fish to fry, which is that, you know, the code itself isn't working in the first instance. We'll get to it. Okay, so let's go through it step by step. Email is a string field. Email is email, which is a record, which is email, which should be a string. That's fine. Collection is a dict field. Did it complain about any particular dict field? It says parties. Parties. Where's it getting parties from? That's odd. Where are you getting parties from? Right. So that used to be a parties. Parties is a list field. And I've got it here as a list field. So where's the problem? We got it here. Parties is a list field, but parties dict. Oh, is it that it's trying to use parties dict here, but parties dict doesn't work? That's a list. Ah. Okay. Parties. In quotation mark. Parties in quotation mark. That's interesting. Why is it going as parties in quotation marks? So I changed it. Parties is now a list with max length 5 of dictionaries. Is what parties is. Have I just not changed that over here? Parties is user.parties. That's fine. Parties is parties dict, which is a list that contains from keys. Then each of those will be none in net. From keys creates a dictionary with keys from iterable and values set to value. By default, value equals none. That's fine. Okay. The parties is parties dict. That's a dict that just gets filled into parties on create new user. And that should be a list of dicts. It should be a list of dictionaries. But it's now complaining only dictionaries may be used in a dict field. Maybe I don't declare what the list field is of. Maybe I can just get rid of the dict field section. Maybe that'll fix it. Run again. Account creation error. Documents must have only string keys. Key was 1. Ah, okay. Right, I think we solved it. I think I think I was trying to be too clever when it came to the file types. You can tell that my last attempt doing Rust really got to my head. Mail trying to be too clever. I can't do this, you know. Wait, hold on. My tracking is terrible. There. Yeah. You know what? This works too. Suck. You suck. Don't think I didn't notice the Reddit thing earlier on as well. The Reddit emote. Do not approve. Yeah. Right, it's fine. That's because I don't have a typing emote. It looks like... Okay, to be fair, it is actually somewhat accurate. My brain is basically leaking through the sides of my mouth as I'm writing, to be honest. You're not entirely incorrect. Woohoo! It works! I mean, okay, we got an account creation error because it's trying to create the same account multiple times. That's fine. We're still using the Chelsea default, but it works! Ah, humanity restored. I'm so happy now. This is great. Okay, that's actually really good. In the space of what, 15 minutes, we were actually able to figure out the problem. And it turned out all we had to do was print what the error was to find out. So I'm very happy with that, actually. Very happy with that indeed. Okay. So now we can go back over to this little window here. If we can't reset. Where's the refresh button? There's a little refresh button, isn't there? There we go. It's that button. There we go. Chelsea has been added. We need to update this actually. We have to update this. We need to find someone else to make suffer. We can no longer make jokes about Chelsea at worstmade.com. We're gonna need to find somebody else to. I just realized how much I need to find somebody else to bully. But yes, no. We've actually got this working. So parties is now an array which contains. Oh, that's interesting. Wait, hold on. Parties is now an array that contains one object which is an object. That doesn't seem quite right. Oh no, it's an array that contains an object. The array... Excuse me. I mean, I don't think it should be an array. I feel like it should just be an object in its own right. Right, it's fine. Let's see if we can figure that out. So it's a list field, a list which should contain one entry. This is it. There we go. So if I get rid of these, one set of parentheses, we do dict from keys entry. That sounds good there. Right. We just refresh the server, which does its own thing. We wipe the entry out of the database. It's now clear. We run again, just the client. And then it's run. We open up the database compass again, refresh. And now parties is an array that contains 5 objects, each of which has the list of keys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's just the positions. And then those null entries, those are empty. There is nothing in those locations, which is fantastic. Fantastic indeed. I think we might need to make sure that those are set to none. Yeah, I think we might need to make sure those are set to none rather than anything else. Okay, I'm now very happy. Very happy indeed. From keys with the entries set to none. So once again, let's make this database a bit more visible. We've clicked off, so it's reset the server. I love that it just, you know, this is actually something that I really like. Something that's quite good from almost, okay, I say this as if I've got any experience with this kind of programming. It's very useful almost from like a DevOps kind of situation. So I can have the server just running. It keeps doing its thing. And as soon as I make any edits to it, it just refreshes itself. This is amazing. I mean, it's very useful for testing at the very least. So it's now currently all none, or null rather. We delete the document. We refresh. It's gone. And now I run the client again. There's no complaints. Refresh. The array now has entries that say, okay, it says null rather than none. The sole value of the type none type. So from keys. Oh, I need to use value equals. So I make it value equals none. Wait, now it's complaining. Hold on. Why are you complaining when you weren't before? So dict from keys. Do we need to do double underscore value? I think it might need to be double underscore. There we go. Double underscore value equals none. Lovely. Okay. Let's make sure that this is empty. Delete. I like that it's got 3 levels of delete confirmation before it actually deletes. There we are. So that's now gone. We run the client. Lovely. Refresh. Refresh. Dict from keys takes no keyword arguments. Oh, lovely. I think it might be okay. Let's assume that things are okay and we'll come back to it if there's a problem later. Let's quickly double check. From keys. It's a class method that returns a new dictionary. Value defaults to none. Interesting. I think we might be able to just do value defaults to, if value defaults to none, then I don't need to specify it. That's fine. That's completely fine. The value is specified already, so I don't need to worry about it. Right, okay, good news. This means that we can actually get into the goddamn game. At last. At last. Okay, let's see. We need to have a quick look at the client. What was the password for logging in as Chell? Ah, yes, we changed it to Mal is the best. Okay, we're gonna have to... Oh, no, that was it. Oh, no, the password was Mal is the best. Okay. We're gonna have to change that at some point. We can't be using Mal is the best for the password. Far from it. Right, now, what we can do... Here's the other thing that I wanted to do. We can actually test the front end. And I'm gonna have to find a window to be able to show off the front end. Can I use this one? That is Mongo Shell, Mongo Compass. That's the client for PyCharm. It's not this, is it? Is that it? Is it there? No? No, it doesn't seem to be working. That's helpful. Right, that's fine. I'll just find a new window capture. Right. This one? There we go! Oh my god, it's too big. Okay. Right. So now, when we're actually testing the game itself, we can actually see. So yeah, once again, functionality, tap to enter. Let's see, it was just Chelsea, wasn't it? We do Chelsea, password, we can just paste in, submit, username and password is incorrect. Oh, good. Did we try changing the password? We're doing a query test. Don't think we did. Let's try typing it in manually. Mal is the best. Okay, it sent us something. It did send us something. I don't think the server registered it, which is very helpful. Username or password is incorrect. Huh. Why? Refresh. Oh, is it because it's been deleted? Right, okay, this is also fine. That's fine. It just means we can't test it. Let's register a new account. Melanie@gmail.com, which is not my username. Go to mail, password. I'll use the safest and most secure password in the world. Registration successful. We change it to mail. And we're in! Lovely. Okay, good to know that it still works, but we need to have an automated test for this. We'll do that. Right, okay. 20 minutes in, and we've only just managed to log into the goddamn game. This is completely fine. So, let's have a little look at our account. We should have no account here. Yep, we've got nothing in the character slot. We can go to the gacha, however, and do a 10 roll. Oh man, it's been so long. It's so satisfying. Right, what did we get? Ooh! Mythic 4. I'm pretty sure that's, Wait, what's UM again? Oh wait, no, it's an uncommon metal, that's it. Common metal, uncommon earth, uncommon metal, uncommon metal, common fire, common water, uncommon woods, rare metal. Now these buttons are supposed to show you towards like the stats list for each of them. That's why I've set them up as buttons, but we've not implemented that just yet, but that's okay. Now that we've done that, we can actually have a look at what we've rolled. But if you click on any one of these, and also it's a scrolling list. Oh my god, I love this scrolling list. It's so pretty. Well, it'll be prettier once it's fuller. If we click on one of these, then we can actually see all of the stats, which is lovely. We can actually see like the hit points, the attack, the defense, the speed. The basics of a combat system. It's so cute. It's so cute. Right, okay. So that's what we have had so far. The login system, memory serves, was the most difficult part. Everything else has just been footering about, as well as UI stuff. But now that it actually works, it's beautiful. Well, okay, now that it works again, I'm glad we managed to figure the problem out at the very least. I'm glad it wasn't too complicated. It's so good. It's so good. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You've got no idea. Right. Okay. What we're going to do now, is we are going to see if we can actually finish implementing the combat system. I want the combat system actually working. Okay? I want the combat system working. It needs to work. So we're going to refresh our memory of where it is. Oh, no. It's not the combat system. It's the party system. It's the party system that I need to get to work. Right, okay. Let's confirm where we are with the party system, because that's what I was trying to fix when I caused the last problem. So Mel, password. That's, of course, not the correct password. Well done, Mel. That's not the password field. I really like to set it so that hitting tab just moves between buttons. That'd be nice. Right, okay, let's just confirm. Yep, we've got our characters here. Lovely. We've got to click parties. Okay, wait, no, hold on. We need to go to the character and then click assign to party. We want to assign to party 1. We want to assign to position number 3. And it just sent something. Post party failed. Okay, so it's failing because we've not set things up on the back end. That's fun. That's good, actually. It's posting something on the front end, so we need to confirm what's going on. So for posting the party, let's see what's going down here. That's query records, login. Oh, right, let's very quickly do some repositioning of windows, just a little bit. So I want these ones disabled. Let's have a look at the code now. This is the important part. Surely. Right. Okay, so update the accounts. What exactly gets called? when we do that. Oh, right, there was an ad break. Lovely. Well, it's fine. Add friends, direct message. Oh yeah, I got it set as a direct message. That's fun. Party creation test. Yeah, that's just a test though. That's the login test. Post remove friend, post new friend, post player party. That's it. Okay. So result is self.client.post, address set party, parameters and headers. Where character code, party position, and then we return the result, and then the result gets written here. So let's find post player party here. And that's issue. Why is there issue? Issue is none. If member code is character code, party is duplicate member. Where's the thing that says post party failed? If issue return post party failed. Post party failed. Or is it an update? What's going on here? We're definitely getting a post party failed error. That's update party, post party failed. Where's post party failed then? Party has duplicate members. Update party failed. Update party failed. Update farty here. Post direct message. Process direct message. Post gacha rule. Why does that return post party failed? It's not written here. Post party. Not there. That's odd. Very odd. Post player party. I want to figure out exactly what the problem is. Right. Post party failed. There we go. Okay, so it's something that's called at the bottom of party creation test client. Is that because I was still testing? Why is that calling? Why are we getting party creation test call? Because this is what's running. Client AG Gacha. Which I also need to change the name of. Query test. I mean, we shouldn't be testing. Oh wait, no, it is query test. Wait, we're running query test? Oh right, we are running... No, we're not. It's running query test. Login info failed. I thought we were just running Gacha client. Are we not? No, I'm not looking at the right thing. We're looking at front end here. This is showing up in the client file. So... And this is the front end that's right, I was just looking at the wrong file. It's fine. That's registration, character results, screen gacha, character screen button, screen gacha. Character screen stats, that's fun. Character assign button, party pop-up. Accept exceptions E, general error. Why does it come out as post-party failed though? Is this calling... Where is it? Is this calling party creation test? Is it? That's the pop-up. Party assigned button. Ah, here we go. Accept exception as E. Post party failed. E. Make this an F string. Right. Okay. Right. We found the problem, or one of the problems anyway. I need to remember to actually do this. The accept exception is E, so that I can actually like see what the exception is. That'd be kind of helpful. Right. Okay. Let's rerun the front end. Let's see what happens. Right, is it gonna update? Is it gonna show? There we go. Okay, let's have a look at the front end, see what happens. So, Mel. Password, we're logged on. Right. Let's see what comes up. We want to see what happens down in this little section down here, like next to my hand down here. Where is it? There we go. This, wait. This tracker, seriously. Down here. There. We want to see what's going on here. Cool. So, characters, select character, assign to party, party 1, press 1, and we get an error. Okay. Post party field, expected value, line 1, column 1, character 0. That's weird. Expecting value. Line 1, column 1, 0. Okay. Well, it's a front end issue, I believe. Because I think it is. Let's try that. So where exactly does the issue come from? We also need to get rid of both of those. Does it get here? They need to go. Delete those right now. Right. Expecting value. So it is expecting a value, and it's not able to find a value. In which case... Yeah, okay. So, we've got two pop-ups. Is what we got. And this is it. Okay, so that's the Gacha client. Get account info. We're using the account information associated with this person. We have a look at parties, which gets us to, where's the server? That gets us to parties, which takes us to the parties dictionary for the specific one. And then we go to which party they're viewing, which is going to be Gacha client.viewing party. Viewing party is determined. PC viewing party. It is that it's in user, isn't it? I vaguely remember it being inside user. So where's user? There we go. No, it's not. It's in Gacha client. Okay, so it's in the client itself, which is somewhere. Where are you then? Where's the Gacha client? That's users, that's create new user. Is it the end? Oh, there's so many features that I want to add that I've not got around to. Right. Oh, is that in Gacha? Ah, it's in here. It's in Gacha client in here. There we go. That's Gacha client. Viewing party equals none. Okay, so then it looks at the client itself, and the client says, this is here. This says which one is being watched. But does that save that as an integer, or does it save it as a string? Because it needs to be a string. It does need to be a string. So post direct message. Post new friend. Post player party. Here we go. Party numbers just down as a integer. It's sending it as an integer, and that's the problem. Okay. That's irritating. Party number itself is okay. Party position needs to be a string. Or at the very least, we need consistency here. We need consistency. So why don't we make this a string? And we'll make the party number a string as well. We're gonna probably mess up more issues here. What could possibly go wrong? Right. So when posting player party, it's always a string. Let's have a look at the front end. Let's see. So parties pop up. EP's party pop up. Party pop up has a bunch of stats on pre-open. Gacha client account info parties. Gacha client viewing party. So that'll look up the viewing party. Where does it say what party pop up? Ah, there we go. Party. This should be. Oh, this is going to be annoying. I think I'm going to keep it as an int. Actually, hold on. Yep, we're going to leave it as an int. It's fine. It's fine. I'm going to leave them as integers. And then I'm going to fix it on this side. I'm just scared. Is what I am. Update data party. If I insist this is a string. Let's confirm first. Parties pop up, assign buttons, parties pop up open. It needs to be a string though. On pre-open. Yeah, because then iters. Hexes. Member code otherwise. Oh wait, no, we do specify it as a string. That's an F string, so it is a string. Text is already a string. Okay, in that case, I don't need to care. Sweet. Okay, I'm smart and I give myself credit for. So we can make that a string. We can make this a string. And we can make this a string. And now it shouldn't care. The party's pop-up works with a string. Title is a string. We've established it as an empty string. We do an iteration to be able to populate them all with with 0 through 4. And then we have that as a string that gets put in place. Party assign button text F string. With each one, we're just specifying that it is a string for sure. Okay, that's good. And then if self.text is an int, can look at index directly. That's why I wanted the int. I mean, I can always just turn it back to... Should always be str. Right, that's fine then. That's completely fine. Because we're not looking at the index. It's... Oh, that's... Yeah, no, that's annoying. Did I make it a deck to deck? Would that make it easier? Yeah, this is what's had me stumped for like the last 6 months. Like, this is what... Oh, I just realized you can't actually see the screen. Well done, me. There we go. Now you can see a little bit better. This is what's had me stumped. This has been it. Getting this bloody thing to work. And it turns out it's just me not knowing how dictionaries work. Or how best to make dictionaries work. But it still sucks. Right. Okay. If we make self.text an integer, then that's fine. Remember in current party, if member code is assigned name, then break. Yeah, and then we just turn the position to a X. Ooh. Right, okay. Okay, I don't think this is gonna work, but we're gonna try running it. We're gonna give it a shot. Let's see how this goes. Right, login successful, characters, clicky here, assign to party, party 1, and what just happened? Expecting value. We got car 0. Right, assigned to party, party 5, 5. What happens there? String indices must be integers. Wait, what? String indices must be integers? Ah, right, okay. So it does automatically handle if they're integers, it just doesn't work if they... Like, it'll automatically try to turn them into an integer. Which is convenient, I suppose. So... Select a party to assign to. They've got party whatever. So let's have a little look back. Assign to party button, that's fine. That's the party pop-up. Party assign button. Where's the text option? Can't believe this has been what I kind of stumped on for so long. In character stats, Gacha results. We'll get the character stats button. Character results. Select a party to assign character to. Select a position, not select a party. Is that in the Kaivu file? It could be in the Kaivu file, and that might be why I'm struggling to find it. This is one of the annoying things about Kaivu, actually, I'm starting to realise. Like, there's an easy way to do it, and there's a difficult way to do it. The nice, convenient way to do it is with Kaivu, because it's actually quite good. The problem is if you're doing something slightly more difficult, then you've got to do it in Python, and Python's actually trickier. But the thing is, having to go between both of them makes it really bloody... Yeah, here we go. Makes it really bloody difficult to make quick changes. Right, okay, I found it. We just need to change these from party number to just number. So we just get rid of the number entirely. Also, those are texts. Oh, but then we do root.update data. That's interesting. So we got update data. It takes the string. Oh, that's odd. Hold on. So the text doesn't matter because it sends specific information over. That's interesting. And yes, there's an easier way of doing this. I've just done it bad because I'm dumb. God, I just love looking at past me's code. I'm just so bad at it. Why am I repeating so many lines? I'm so bad. Object orientation mail, it's under O. Right. So update data. It looks for a string. String indices must be integers. Where does that come from then? Not here. What line does it get to? Ah, I think it's here, on release. Yeah. This is gonna be F string, error, error posting party E. So where is the error? Gacha client viewing party. String indices must be integers. Why is it a string index? What's the string index here? I think it might be this line. The current party line, right. Let's see if it does this. We're gonna have to restart the front end, gotta love it. The server's fine, so it shouldn't need a restart. We want to see down here, we want to see the right message. So, and also we really should be automating this. Why am I so dumb? Password. Right, characters. Click the character, click assign to party. Select party, select position. What did it say? Post party failed. Expecting value. Wait, why does it say post party failed now? So it does say error posting party. The login was successful, we know that much. That's the post. User info, that's fine. Does it get here? It does, but then it gets the error posting party. So, for member and current party, if member, check member code is assigned name. Where does assigned name come from? Assigned name is self.text. If member, is this even implemented properly? I'm starting to think that this isn't even implemented properly. And that it's just plain not working. So anyway, we get the parties, we look at the party itself. Yeah, so, okay. This is the old method. This is the old method using list. But that doesn't work anymore. That doesn't work anymore. So, new method using, what are they called? Dict. Using dictionary, it's lovely. So, we've got those. Assigned name is text. There's a better way of doing this, isn't there? There certainly is. Position equals 0. Party assigned button. Assign name is self.text. Yeah, I've got a feeling that I've just done this badly, but I'm not surprised by that remotely. To be entirely honest, I'm not surprised. So it looks like the way that I've done this. Actually, I don't know if I need to do it this way at all. So, current party is blank. Why does current party need to be that? Oh. Right, okay, I'm starting to remember the terrible, terrible way that I designed this. My god. Maybe I should just throw this out entirely and just do it all fresh. That might not be the worst idea in the entire planet. Not gonna lie. Might not be the worst idea. I'll hold my hands up, say it. I'm bad. I'm bad. Not in a good way. I'm bad in a bad way. Why do I program? That's fine. Right. So... look through current party's list to find the index of the entry with current name. That shouldn't be right. We don't want to do that. Because it shouldn't be changing that. So, party assign button. Yeah, okay. So that has a widget, which is a party assign button with the text for whatever. Then for that button, yeah, I think I've just done this in a dumb way. I think I've done this in a really dumb way. I'm almost certain I've done this in a dumb way. This is entirely a user interface problem. That's the only thing stopping me from actually being able to do this, because I've done this in a terrible way. Terrible, terrible, terrible way. Very, very bad way. But hey, it's fine. It's fine. So. That's the party pop-up. We've already got the parties pop-up. Select party to assign to, then we just select which party. Yeah, I think this is actually the dumb way to do this. I think this is a bad way of doing this. I'm just gonna say let's go back. Let's not have it be so you can set your party from within the character screen. Or at the very least, let's not do it just now. I think we might be overcomplicating things. I think what we should do is have a little button on the main page where we can hit parties, which makes it a much more visible and easy process of choosing what character that you want. Let's find a new method of doing this. So, let's go to the main screen, which I think is here. Main screen menu, there we go. Let's see, there's the Gacha button. Characters button, event story. Social, whatever sub-event it is, messages, Gacha funds, account. Where are you? Resources, challenges, parties! Parties, lovely. And also this should work as a very good way of getting this to actually work properly. Right, how do we actually make the transition? We do root dot whatever screen. Yeah, root dot whatever screen. So, which is a function that takes you to the screen itself. So, actually, the annoying thing is, I think it might have actually. Yeah, no, I've just designed this in a dumb way. I don't think it matters though. Like, what I want to do is something that seems like it would make sense. I want to have it so that when you're setting up what characters and what slots, you can still see their stats. But that's a bit tricky. A little bit tricky. So just a teeny tiny itsy bitsy little bitty tricky. It's a tiny bit. A little bit. I wonder, could I just use the character stats screen, but make the character stats screen take up less space so that it's easier to put everything else in place? Could be. Gacha screen. So yeah, over here. Def. Let's have, what's it called? Parties. Party screen. Self. App dot get running app. Root. Current is going to be green parties. Lovely. Then we just need to make sure that the manager actually does have a note for screen parties. Name. Screen parties. Good, we don't forget that. And then when we find the party section, where's the bottom row? There we go. Then it's going to be root dot whatever. Parties. Root dot parties. Screen. Lovely. Good stuff. Also, I should probably simplify these as well, shouldn't I? Yes, I probably should, but it's fine. Problem for future Mel. But wait, I'm future Mel. I'm future Mel to the previous past Mel. What are you doing, past Mel? Stop hurting yourself. Sorry, future Mel. Problems will continue. Oh dear. Okay, so now we've actually got a parties screen, which is nice. We're going to need a new screen. That screen characters list. Yeah, I wonder if I could. No. Oh, wait, hold on. What if I merged? Yes. What if I merged two screens into one? So you'd look at your characters list, and then you would also be able to look at your character's stats at the same time. Like you click on a character, it then shows you the stats. Maybe. I don't know. Here's character results, that's fine, I can do it at once. Screen Gacha, are you not supposed to have... Do you not need that colon? The Screen Gacha's been working all this time and it's not had a colon there. What the hell? Huh? Okay, we need a screen to work with. Ideally a small one, or I really wish I could collapse some of these entries, that'd be nice. That's fine. A relatively small size screen. There we go. This one. Nope, that's not going to do. Yeah, actually, this will do. All these pop-ups. I wonder. Did I not manage to mute? Apologies. It snuck up on me. I don't know why. I can just smell very interesting smells lately. Been odd. I could have sworn I pushed the button there. It just didn't work. Right. So this is going to be screen parties. Going to be screen parties. We are making it the same color as always, with a box layout. Then have different buttons. Oh my god. Wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? Why am I doing this? Let's just use the client. Why am I worried about UI shit when I want to test functionality? I want to do the party creation test right now. Party creation test runs with the client. Party creation test. Where's party creation test then? That's the add friends button. The DM function. Party creation test. Lovely. But this doesn't do it for an actual character. Oh wait, it does. The party list. Members.append. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure the party list is a post party. You know what? Let's just run it and see what happens, shall we? What could possibly go wrong? Client test. Doing party creation test running. Login failed, post party failed. Gotta love it. Well, that makes sense. We are trying to log into the chill account. Let's... Username is Mel. Password, unsurprisingly, it's not exactly complicated. I'll then try logging in and then posting the party. Try running. Success logged in, post party failed. Why is that? Let's figure it out. Post party failed. Missing one required positional argument party position. Okay, we can work with this. So that's a problem on the server in post party. That's post gacha role, post direct message, remove friend, new friend, post player party is here. Post player party missing one positional argument. I may actually be on the party side. Hold on. Yeah, where's the client? Host player party wants the character code, party number, and party position. Why does it do that? That just posts a new member rather than posting the whole party. Ooh, that's annoying. That's rather annoying. That's very annoying. Host player party. What are we sending anyway? Yeah. Yeah, the way this is being done is it posts the entire party together rather than just one entry. That's irritating. Host player party does get all that information. Yeah. Oh, that's irritating. But it still looks for party members. Why is it looking for a party position? That's weird. Yeah, I think I've just taken like multiple different directions of looking at this. So I'm treating it as if, like, in my head, this should post the entire list. And it looks like it did do that, but at one point I got distracted doing it this method, where I do it like one character at a time. And then I just got distracted with that. That's annoying. That's rather annoying. Okay. Okay. This is irritating. I hate past me with a burning passion because she was very dumb. It was very, very dumb. In many, many ways. But it's fine. We can figure this out. I think we might need to come up with a new method. We might need to come up with a new method entirely. UI. Let's not worry about the UI at all. Let's make sure that functionality is down. Let's make sure that functionality makes sense. And then we can spend time on the UI stuff. Let's focus on functionality. We do this in little nibbles. Right, I'm probably not going to make this the longest stream either. I'm somewhat very tired today. I've done something that I don't normally do. I've had a lot of caffeine. And by a lot of caffeine, I mean 2 cans of Coke. I don't normally do that. So yeah, no, I'm a bit tired today. I'm glad we've been able to make as much progress as we have. I've figured out what the problem is, and moreover, I've figured out how to resolve it. So I'm actually just going to change this section. I'm going to copy this. Oh wait, there's a whole new section here. Party members, remembering party members. Yeah, ooh, yeah, no. Okay, I've got an idea. Got a bit of an idea. Right, hold on. Copy, paste, paste. So this one is going to be post player party member. This is going to be set party member, which uses multiple. That's on the server. We're going to need another one that is just on the client, which does the same thing. Let's use this one actually. Rather than post player party, it's going to be post player party member, which can just stay exactly as it is. It uses the character code, uses the party number, and uses the position. Because when you're placing just one member, you do want to know what the code is, you do want to know what party they're being assigned to, and you do want to know what position the party they're being assigned to. That's when you want that. But if you're just posting the whole party, you don't care about the party number. Well, you care about the party number, but you do not care about the party's position. You can just completely ignore that. We're going to do one which just prints the full party. And that's it. That's all we're doing. So it's not character code. We're going to do character... Character code dict. Because what we're wanting we're wanting to use a dictionary. It's one of the parameters. It gets sent over in a JSON format and it does its thing. That's it. That's how we do it. Okay. So that's done that over here on the client. Let's have a look at the server. We've got post player party member. We're ignoring that just now. We're doing post player party. We're going to take the info character code dict. And that's just going to be a dictionary that contains all the information. One thing that we do want to do as well, we want to have a little look here at what we need to send. So, post player party, it wants a dictionary and it wants the number. So let's go members. We'll make it members dict. Then we'll get rid of that. Let's see. List entries are tuples, first entry being the code, second being the set level. Right, that's fine. So that's the party list. Members. If character's actually in that position. Member.append. Member 1 entity database member or something. Entity.define character. I don't know quite what this means. This is fine. We're going to do party dict, and we are just going to make that a dictionary. Keep it nice and simple. Keep it simple, stupid. We remove that. Party deck is now on its own and completely fine. We send over party deck. Try response members deck. That's not right. There's members. Where did members deck come from? Did I remove it? It was like members.append. That must have been something that was doing during an earlier stage of testing. No, that's literally something that I just entered in there, isn't it? Wait, well done, Mel. So clever. So it's going to be party deck. Got set tuple instead. Is that what this is? Let's create a set. Let's be explicit then. I thought there was going to be a way to do a dict from tuples. Was there not a way? Did we not just do that another time ago? I thought we did. Right, it's fine. Completely fine. We just have to do it the boring way, by which I mean manually. It's fine, I've done worse in a much more annoying way. See the entire rest of this stream. If I can get this to work, I'm gonna be so very happy. You know, I've really missed working on this. I really have. I've just gotten very swamped and kind of caught up in my own mind in a few ways. Like this has been a busy year so far. Right, looks like that's actually working. Expected string got integer instead, that's fine. Right, the client should run now as long as the server is set to receive. So now we're running, that's post player party. As opposed to post player party member, yes. Now we get rid of the party position because we just want the party number. Got the account, we get the first entry in this. There's an error here when it comes to party position. Oh, wait, hold on. We do want this to be a tuple, actually. We want it to be 0. Oh, lovely, another ad break. Gotta love it. So, 0 corresponds to this tuple, is what we want. That's the format that we're after. That's the format that we want. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, I got it now. I got it now. I got it. Lovely, lovely, lovely Lou. And that needs to be a comma. Good stuff. Right, now that dictionary is the way that I want it. Dictionary's fine. In party members do. Oh, what disconnected? Oh, it's my tracking, of course. I put my wrist on it. There we go. Now we're running again. Okay. Okay. For member and party members. Party members account party's party number. What is it sending as? Host player party. Character code deck. Loads content. It's over in client. Character code deck. Party number, right, that's fine. Character code deck can stay as it is. Probably. Character code deck, there's no character code deck. Character code. Yeah, so do I want to do verification at this point? It would be good to do verification at this point. It would be good to do verification at this point. So, account.parties, party member. Right, this gets what's currently in that position. Says there's no issues. Confirm that. Right, okay. Is there any way to unzip tuples? There must be a way to. Do you want to do a server side check? Yes, the server needs to be authoritative. Right. I don't think we need to worry about this section here for the most part. Yeah. I think we can basically check out all of this. Certainly everything down from... here. Yeah, everything. Pretty much everything. They all get commented out. Why did I even copy it? I got the benefit of this section at the top. I'm rewriting the rest of it. This is great. Okay, so this confirms what the existing party members are. But that's a dictionary, isn't it? Yeah, that's not going to work either, is it? Let's try print x for x in range, rather print underscore, or underscore print string not string underscore. Character code dict. Whatever. String of whatever for whatever in range 5. But instead of printing, new character codes are going to be blank. New character codes dot append bracket there. I got rid of something that I didn't want it to. Square bracket. That's going to be character code dict. Or whatever in range 5. That's good. Print new character codes. Right, let's run this and see what happens. Right, we've reset the server. Let's run the client. We'll send over the list CM1, CM01, CO01, DFO2, CM02, CW01. And let's see if it'll actually print those out in the server. Please. List indices must be integers or slices, not string. Really? Is that the old version? Nope. And I think we just crashed the server as well. God, I love it. No, server's still running. I think. So here's the problem. Party members, account of parties, party number. Yeah, party number's an integer. 380. That's here. Right, so we need to set this to be specifically an int. Because it's been passed as a string. That's fine. Run this. The view function for post player party did not return a valid response. Why not? So it's returned. Right, okay, so what it's done is it's just printed the values, it's not returned everything separately. That's fine. We can just add a little 0 on there to get the index that we want. Server's still running. We run and it fails. We run again. And it fails, but why? Okay, it's done the right thing. It has printed the right loop there. But it's not returning a value. Why is it complaining now? Because the view function did not return a valid response. Right, so it just crashed. Yeah, because you have to do return JSONify or whatever. Yes. That's fine. Just have this here as a little test. Ah yes, and we have to do a try statement as well. Just put all this within the try statement, that's fine. Got to remember to do try accept. Right, that's cool. That's updated, lovely. Run this. Object of the type error is not JSON serializable. Oh, lovely, I love that. Just because we didn't reset it. Nope, object of the type error is not JSON serializable. Lovely. That might have just been a typo. Post party field expecting value. Okay, that gave me the list. So it does give me the list that I want. Update party field, list indices must be integers or slices, not string. Okay, so it's still complaining about something. Because of this return, isn't it? Yeah, it's the return. If we get rid of this, that should be fine. Also, I might need this. Maybe. Oh, wait, yeah, hold on. It needs to be a dect, doesn't it? Yes. What do I normally do? Yeah, that's fine. Right. This should be working now. Fingers crossed. Seems to be. Party 0 set. None. Yep, okay. Good. Good. So that means that it can do this much at least. So it's not setting it. We can confirm that. Party members is that. And I just pulled out my cord again. Well done, Mel. Right, okay, we're making progress. This is good. So, account parties, int party number. That's fine. Let's actually do similar to what we just did. Make that old party members is empty. And then old party members dot append account parties party number 0 for oh, we need to do this whole thing here as well, yeah. We get the parties, party number, whatever entry, first part of the entry for underscore in range 5. Square brace that. Why are you complaining? Because you need to have an end parenthesis. There we go. Then print old party members, which should print the old members, which is actually a problem because it's probably going to print, it's going to be looking for a bunch of nuns. I don't mean the religious kind, it's going to be looking for nun. The nun type. It's going to throw an error. Because because yeah, when it was generated, okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. We can ignore that. We can just print whatever's actually in there, and then we're just overwriting it anyway, so it doesn't matter too much. So we can just do account parties, int party number is all we need. Print. There you go. That'll get the old party members and print them. And then we get the new codes, and then we print those. Let's see what that looks like. Print. Yep. So we get entries 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are all empty. That's fine. Then we get the new entry, and then we get new party members. We just run this again. Then we print the new party members. And then that should look very different. We can actually get rid of this print new character codes as well. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, then we need to do our actual test for that. Wait, new party members is going to be character code dict. Yes. We just make that character code dict. And that should be everything. So click off. Let the server reset. There it goes. Run the client again. Yep. So it goes. Wait. It starts at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why does it do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Shouldn't be doing that, should it? That's annoying. That's rather annoying. Zero indexing, Melanie. It's a lost skill. Right, that's something back here. Not in the client, it's in the server. The server back here. Parties. There we go. So it's the dictionary definition that's wrong. Just remove that. Start from 0, please. Right, there we are. Lovely 0 indexing. Gotta love it. Lovely. Client. That's the login test, that's the combat test. Which is actually quite short, considering. Dear. Right, okay. Okay. We do 0 indexing now. We're happy with life. Need to sneeze, but it's not quite coming. I'm gonna resist for now. Fine. Right. Click away. Server restarts. Run the client. Yep. So we start. Right. Why does it start off like that? Oh, right, because this is taking the account party section, but it's not changing it. We are in the test section, aren't we? Yes, we are. Lovely. So... we're doing the login. Let's do party dict 1, then we'll do a party dict 2. And the only thing that's different is we're going to change the first entry from CMO1 to CMO2. That is the only thing that's going to be different when we change the parties. So we do 1, which is party dict 1. We do 1, which is party dict 2. And we actually commit the updates. We're going to copy that. Then we're going to do new party members. Is that? We can hide that. Right, so that should then print the old list and the new list every single time. So it should do old list, new list, old list, new list. Let's run this. Well, let's reset the server. Now we run this. Run it. Right. Except it's not saving because I haven't got it committing yet. Right, there's a whole section down here into how it should assign the update. Account.update parties. That's it. But where did parties come from? Parties is account.parties, right? Yes. We can just do that. That might work. Servers are weird, man. Okay, okay, here we go. We've done it. We've actually done it. Look at this, look at this, look, 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 look. This is magic. So, we go from the original party here, which is an empty party, which doesn't use 0 indexing. Right here. And then, we apply an update. We actually put in the whole party led by CM01. And then immediately afterwards, we send another request from the client. We do one, which sends party deck 1. We send another one, which is party deck 2. Party deck 2 arrives. It says, hey, look, this is what the first party was, the original one. And then we apply that. Voila! It's like magic, but it actually works. Okay, I'm very happy with that. This is progress. This is progress. Okay. Right. It's not perfect. It's not perfect. We have had to take a massive step back to be able to get to this stage, which is irritating, but it has to be done. We all knew that my programming from like 6 months ago wasn't that good. If it was good, I wouldn't have been having problems and I wouldn't have to relearn everything now. But it's fine. It's completely fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to call the stream very shortly. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to leave myself a new to-do. And what we're going to do is we're going to say that I need to actually add verification. To-do needs to be a comment. Add verification that all entries in new list are unique. And I think I can actually do that right now, because all I have to do is copy this. That gets me the new character code. And then how do we confirm that the list does not contain duplicates? Let's see. Python test list for duplicate. Cool, I've got one. I've got one. Right. So we need to do... Where's my code? Here we go. That's not my code. That's something very different. We're going to need to go to the imports. From collections import counter. And then here's a nice little line. Go down to, that's update party. K for KV and new character codes. Got items. If V is greater than 1, what's that? How do I actually implement this? Oh, this might be an old version of Python. I love when that happens. Yeah, this is from 2012. Python 3. Yeah, that doesn't look right. How do we use counter? It's an iterable. Do I actually implement this? I wonder. So yeah, it's key and value. If value is greater than 1. How do I do this? The way to do this. Find duplicates in the Python list. This might be helpful. There are ways to do it, it's just not very clear on how to actually implement it. This might be helpful. Hold on. Key for key. Encounter. Let's try first duplicate in a list. We'll see this. Find first duplicated number in a list. That's a clunky way of doing it. Is there a nice quick way? Using set. if new character codes dot count let's see. There's a faster one. Single looping count method. Using the counter method. Got the list. Item for item count. And counter list dot items f count is greater than 1. Duplicates as item for item. And then we can do if duplicates, then we can do a return. Party has duplicate members, which we'll just copy this. Copy this, desonify, copy, paste, end cut, paste. There we go. That verifies that there's no duplicates. Or at least it bloody should do. There we go. Okay, I'm now very happy with what we've done today. We've been able to figure out a way to... And my tracker just disconnected again. I love it. There we go. We figured out a way to actually get it to confirm whether there's any duplicates in the list. If there's no duplicates, then it says who the old party members are, then it confirms who the new party members are, and then it goes about putting them in place. Let's do a quick test as well. Let's do another one. Let's do a dict 0, and we'll copy the dict 1 again. Copy, paste, paste. We'll do 2CM001s. And we'll see how this goes. The server should be running now. We run this. We got one note. We logged in, post party failed. Interesting. Why did it? Oh, because we've got CMO2 the second time. Ah, right. Okay. You know what? That's fine. Let's make that a CMO3. Congratulations past me. You made yourself look like a bit of an idiot. It's fine. There's also an error down here apparently. Oh yeah, it's because it says party deck there's no party deck 0. Ah, I need to change that to party deck 0, that's fine. Right, now the test should actually work properly for real this time. Run. So we log in, update party field because it's got duplicate members, party 0 set, party 0 set. Lovely. So it goes 1, then it goes 1, then it goes 1, 3. We run it again. Then it gives us, we're originally CMO3, then we go to CMO1. Go to CMO1, we go to CMO3. That's CMO1, that's CMO1, that's CMO1. That's CMO2. And that's CMO3. That should be CMO3 always, just so it's more visible and easier to see where the errors are. Lovely. Lovely, 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 lovely. There we go. So... yep, it complains the first time because there's duplicate members of CMO. Then it sets, then it sets. Lovely! Okay, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. We've actually got the check-in. We've got the sanity check. We've got it working. We can post the full party together. And honestly, it takes up a lot less space than I expected it was going to. So I'm very happy with this. Like I was really worried that this was going to be an absolute nightmare. And look at all this code that I can just delete. Look at all this crappy code that's just taking so much space. Right, that can all just go immediately. Right, okay, so, where are we now? Where are we now? So, we have made some progress. I'm able to actually allocate the party. This is good. This is where we want to be. We can do it for the whole party at once. I will want to set it so that we can just post individual party members. But now that I've actually got this method up and running and it's nice and concise and it makes perfect sense, I can use similar principles to just confirm that this can work. Okay? So what I'm going to do next time, or what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to fiddle around with this in my own time, actually, which is going to be very nice. We're going to play around with this. We're going to get this working so that we actually have it working here. I'm going to see even if I can get it to work in the UI version on the front end. And if I can, maybe I'll be able to start making some progress on this damn game. Maybe it'll actually be in an alpha stage where we can actually test basic gameplay features instead of just going, oh, this would be nice. You know? That'd be really good. So yeah, wish me luck on that, folks. I'll play around with it and we'll come back to it again at a later date. Hopefully I'll have something exciting to show off at some point, or maybe we'll just do a little bit more programming. We shall see. But this is good. This is good. I've gotten over, I'm not kidding, this has been basically a mental hump that I've been dealing with for like 6 months now. I don't know why my chair is making so much noise. It's been very odd. Anyway, this has been a massive mental block that I've managed to get over at long laboring last. So yeah, until next time. Next stream is going to be on Thursday. New chair time. Yeah, I think I need a new chair. But yeah, so on Thursday we're going to do some more writing, or we certainly should be. We'll be doing some more Yuri writing. But hopefully we can make a bit more progress at that. And yeah, well, we'll see how things go. But until then, thank you so much, everyone, for coming along. Thank you, TV, for dropping by. To everyone else who's been here, whether you've been lurking, dropping in and out, or you just dropped along, I do appreciate. I really do. We'll try and do some more exciting programming stuff, I think, in future as well, because this is just a mental hurdle that we're getting over. We'll see how things go. I need to make more noise about my gacha game, I think. Among other games, I've been making notes. I'm gonna chill for the rest of the evening, and I'm gonna work on some one sheets. I think I'm gonna do some one sheets for some other projects that I've got in mind, and I wanna see if I can bring to life as well. but working on this is long overdue. I need to. Like, in 2 months, well, okay, in 2.5 months, it'll have been a year since I came up with this idea. It's taken me too long to come out with it. So yeah, we'll see about resolving that. But anyway, with that being said, I've been Melanie. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming along. Yuri on Thursday, as I say. Until then, be good to yourselves. Take very good care of yourselves. And I'll see you all again very soon. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye-bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wait. Why can't I wave? Why can't I wave? It's because my thing... Hold on. Crap. Hold on. My freaking tracker. I need a better tracker. Seriously, I'm wearing it around my neck and it's just not working. It just keeps falling out and it keeps not wanting to not fall out. There we go. Bye-bye. The things I do to be able to wave. Technology hates me. Right, it's fine. Yeah, thank you so much for coming along. I freaking need this game to freaking work at some point in my bloody life. This game needs to actually work. Who can we raid? Do we even feel like raiding anyone? Do I even feel like raiding anyone? I might want to raid someone. No, I want to freaking... Where's Twitch? They keep changing the layout of Twitch. And I hate it. Oh. Someone we could raid would be Vidal987. No, we're not gonna do it. No, I don't think we'll have a raid today. It'll be a little quiet night. Take it easy, all. Be good to yourselves. Matane.